In times that we are living in today, it is paramount that we have a med kit that we can carry with us at all times. This is Joe from Second Shot Survival, and today we are going to be trying to fit all this medical equipment in the Battle Bottle by Iron Infidel. Today we're going to be doing the Iron Infidel Battle Bottle. Okay. Now, this is a double-walled stainless steel 2-liter bottle. Okay. And what really sets this aside from all the other ones, like, you see everywhere else, is it has these sleeves. Okay. And that is so you can put your stuff in it. Like you're going to the gym, put your wallet in here, put your phone in here, attach your keys right here. But what I'm doing with this one, which I've been carrying, this is my EDC right here. Okay. Is I'm going to put all this first aid equipment in here and in here. Now, right here is where I have my tourniquet, my Cat 7 tourniquet, and I'll show you, whenever I put all that stuff in it. So, here we go. All right. Let's go with this first. Okay. Got the hyphen chest seal. Got that. Got the compressed gauze. Z-folded. So it don't get all tangled up whenever you go to, pack the wound. Okay. All right. Trauma shears. Okay. Here. Got the marker. That for signal or whatnot. Okay. Like that. And yes, this will all fit in here. Okay. And there you go. Okay, now this is where I got Cat 7 tourniquet. There we go. And it's mollied on there. Okay, so basically, right here is where the tourniquet is, the tourniquet holder. Okay, and there's a great importance of having a first aid kit with you. Just like whenever I was in the Boy Scouts, the motto, be prepared. You can never go wrong with that. Also, what I really like about this is you can actually fill this up with water and use a paracord handle, okay, and use it like a kettlebell. Now, it's not going to be as heavy as, a heavy kettlebell, okay, but you can also, use it just to get your reps in, for a little bit of resistance, as well. So, anyhow, I just wanted to bring that to your attention that, with this, you can actually put a TCCC module in here, minus the decompression needle. And if you go check out these guys right here at IronInfidel.com, you can see what all other types of sleeves they got here. Now also, they have another bottle that's smaller than this. So if you don't want the big bottle, then you can do that. But it won't have the carrying capabilities as the 2-liter bottle. That being said, hope you enjoyed the review, and keep your powder dry. Stay alert, stay alive, we all survive. Thanks for watching.